Rubbish. It's a video you're doing.
Move over slightly a bit. Keep going.
After this turn, Honor can have a go and show us how it's done. And you can move away from the chair. Is that good, Nick?
Yeah!
Come and sit down. Now we'll watch the expert. She won't be able to do it now. Come on, out my news.
Okay then. Now it's Mummy's turn.
But I haven't been able to do it.
No, come on.
I did it. Oh my gosh, Mum.
Don't do that.
So much.
Don't. Yeah.
Yes.
It does feel like there's an earthquake.
Oh. Right. Don't make me laugh, okay? Okay.
My turn.
Your turn, Daddy.
Right, I should just prove to you the technique is...
You don't know, you can't do it.
Then you're hitting something. Now make a
I'm hitting something, that's why it's not working.
Yeah, it's hitting your tummy. We need a bigger hula hoop.
When I laugh, look around my nose.
No, I'm nearly there. I'm nearly there. Nearly there.
So competitive.
Hold on.
You're not nearly there at all.
Oh, you nailed it.
I'm going to turn this
7.
off. 7, not at all. To finish.